I really think it's important to view it from a strengths perspective, especially just starting off with that messaging. Have a child that may be more hyperactive or impulsive, they make quick decisions. And all right, we start to think of, okay, who are people in the world that make quick decisions? Who are people we need in our society? Firefighters, policemen, all of these type of people that are very helpful. And we need people that can make those quick decisions. Athletes make quick decisions. There is a higher incidence of ADHD within professional athletes in the typical population. So, and then also the more inattentive side, more deep thinkers. They can put meaning to things that a lot of children may not. And so really trying to focus on a strengths perspective. Now then, we look at ages, sometimes with a 5-year-old, we may talk about, okay, your brain works really, really fast. It's like a car, and these are some things we're going to do to make sure that that engine that really wins the race can also have some brake pads, and then we'll talk about what those things are with mom and dad and try to give them some skills to be able to help develop that within them. I think from a strengths perspective, and then empathize with how difficult it is or how that affects your sense of self. I think that all of us ascribe meaning to our lives, and if we're not given that meaning, especially children and teenagers, they're going to create that meaning. And the meaning might be, there's something wrong with me. I'm damaged. I'm a bad kid. I'm a bad person. But once we're able to give them some sort of hard and fast diagnosis or words to put to it so that they can create a more accurate meaning, then I think that, they're going to have a more resilient mindset.